My name is Tamara Kalo. I'm a multidisciplinary artist. I've worked across different art and design disciplines. I think I was interested in bridging historical discovery that is not often linked to this idea of image and photography, but bringing it back into the collective consciousness, but obviously within a contemporary context, since it's a contemporary arts exhibition, and also visually wanting to have it be in conversation with this historical discovery and looking forward into what we envision for the future. So the work is about this historic looking backwards and looking forwards within the ultra present of the viewer's perception of the site. When the viewer enters the work, they see the site flipped upside down through the mechanics of a lens and a camera obscura. So this flipping of the world brings the sky to the ground and it brings the heavens to the earth and vice versa. I wanted to work with this idea of the camera obscura, of going to the core and the inner workings of a camera, of an image also. Also taking into consideration the body as a scale and the lens as a scale and light. So light and the way light moves through the work had a big part to play in the final form that it took.